All right, welcome back. So what we're going to do here is we're going to be adding our color variants to our Etsy store. This plays an important role because it adds to your Etsy algorithm. And what we're going to do here is we're going to go down all the way to the bottom here. It says link photos. Click link photos, enter color. And then we're going to just click each color. Dark green. Kelly green. All right, so that's dark green. Black, black, gray, gray. Olive, olive. Kelly green. And a lot of these colors I already know. All right, so we're going to save that. And that's how you're going to change and add colors to every picture. That way, when you publish, and then you go back to your store, let's see if this works here. This is a different shirt, but now you can see your silver, and it'll actually change the color so you know exactly what color you're getting. Where if you did not have those set up, you would not get this change of color, so your customer would not know exactly what color shirt they're getting. All right, try that out. Hope it helps.